While Finn plays pickup sticks, I decided I'll spend the rest of my afternoon here metal detecting. Why not? Now what I'm looking at here with my gauges, I have sensitivity. So that tells me within proximity of a metal target. For instance, my boot is steel toe. See, I'm picking up. If I move away, if I turn up sensitivity, I'm really going to hit it. My other one is my metal switch. So this is your proximity to metal, just how, pretty much how sensitive do you want the equipment to detect. This one is my type of metal. So this is all metal, and that's going to be pretty much horrible targets, nails, anything like that. And in the middle, you start to weed out a lot of those iron or ferrous hits. And then all the way, and then this is in this range here, from disc down to that bottom knob, that's where you're going to start to find your gold, your copper, your good stuff. So I like to, whenever I'm in an area, I like to start on all metal with high sensitivity, and then if I hit a target, so like my boot there, I can take the sensitivity, and it's like, there's metal there, but it's not a good target. And that's how I go about. Haven't found anything super valuable yet, but found a lot of cool things.